I hope I remember all this, but let me try. Hi guys, it's Eva from VIVA Skin Clinics, and today I will be talking about 5 common myths that I come across in our clinics and why they are bullshit. So the first myth that I come across in the clinic is that it's a toxin. So yes, it is a neurotoxin that is produced in a natural environment by a bacteria, but in a clinical setting we use very small amount of the product which is placed very precisely to achieve this relaxed look, and there is no risk whatsoever to any toxicity to our patients. So number 2 is that our patients are worried that they will look frozen. So when people look frozen, they were over-treated. There was too much product placed in certain areas of their faces, and basically they cannot use their facial expression. So when you go to a professional, we will place appropriate amount of a product in the correct place so you can still use your facial mimics and you will never look frozen. The third myth is that everyone will know. Your husband will know, your family will know, everyone will know that I had something done to my face. No one will know. If the treatment is done correctly, you should be looking more relaxed and more rested, but people shouldn't know that you underwent an aesthetic treatment. So myth number 4 is that people are really worried that it will be painful, and the treatment is not painful. We use the smallest needle on the market, they are micro needles, and downtime it's minimal and it's really not painful. So you shouldn't be worried about that. If you're really scared of needles and you're really sensitive, we can always use a numbing cream to make your experience more comfortable. And the last myth is that people think that they will look worse if they start the treatment and then stop. And this is a myth, because if you stop, you will just regain your muscle movement and you will go back to your old self. But everything in aesthetic medicine is about prevention. And what I realize with many of my patients, for example, if they start having the static lines across their forehead or in the glabella line, when we relax them, they never really become as deep as they were before, unless, of course, you know, with the aging and with the years of not treatment, eventually they will get there. But it's a very fantastic, not only treatment, but mainly prevention. So you will never look worse than you were before the treatment. You will just go back to your natural self and regain your muscle movement. So that was the 5 biggest myths that I come across in my clinic, which I wanted to share with you, so you are not scared of your treatment and that you are aware that they are myths. And if you have any more questions, you can always schedule your virtual consultation, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Bye!